I'm back at Tekka Market. I'm doing another island curry takeaway this Thursday, and it's sold out. So thanks everybody who pre-ordered. I'm here to buy some spices and some fresh turmeric to make the curry. Can I get some cloves? Cloves.
Close it. Come on.
I want ghee also. Huh? Give me a big one. You got big one? Too little.
Yeah.
Big packet.
Come.
I eat a lot of spice, so I need big packet.
Now?
How much is this one? Okay, I'll take one of this one.
Okay.
One big ghee. This one how much? 29.
Yeah. No, I tell you. Oh, be careful. Why right this?
One. You give me one saffron also?
Big or small?
The big one. Saffron. How much is this one?
I have purchased it in $20.
$20. Taking Buffalo Road. Turmeric. Getting Maggie Goreng and what I saw interesting. Hung soup. Kambing. Good walk here.
Bagus sih, nasi goreng color konyol bagus.
Kambing soup. Hung kambing soup.
Hung.
Try. Kambing soup and Maggie Goreng. Long time, huh? Haven't eaten this for a long time, huh?
Good girl. That's good.
It's good.
Yeah. Wow, that's good.